AOA everyone, and welcome to this demonstration of my Python-based expense tracker. This tool is designed to help users manage their finances efficiently by categorizing and tracking expenses. Let's dive into how it works. Overview. To start, I'll give you a brief overview of the features of our expense tracker. The program allows users to add, view, edit, and delete expenses across various categories. It also calculates the total expenses and provides insights into monthly profit or loss based on user input income. The tracker features a menu-driven interface for seamless navigation. First, let's add a new expense. For example, you can categorize an expense under food, provide a description, and enter the amount. The program will store this information under the chosen category. Next, let's view the recorded expenses. The tracker displays a summary of expenses by category, showing the total amount spent in each category, along with detailed entries. Each expense is listed with its description and amount. You can also edit existing expenses. By selecting a category and expense, you can update the description or amount. The program ensures that updates are applied accurately and provides feedback on successful modifications. If you need to remove an expense, the tracker allows you to delete it by selecting the category and specific expense. It will also remove the category if it becomes empty after deletion. The tracker calculates the total expenses and compares them with the total monthly income provided by the user. It then determines whether there is a profit or loss for the month and presents this information clearly. In summary, my expense tracker offers a straightforward and effective way to manage and analyze your expenses. It's perfect for keeping track of your financial records and understanding your spending patterns. Thank you for joining this demonstration. Now let's see an example output in which I exhibit various features of my expense tracker.